Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to freeze or hold your frame in Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. So from here, what we call freeze frame is actually called frame hold right here in Premiere. So to do that, we have three ways. Or rather, I'll be showing you three ways and how you can do that. So first of all, is that like this. So first, you want to position your playhead in the time in which you want the frame to freeze or hold. So in my case, I'll probably freeze it by the time this guy comes in the middle right here. Maybe this one, yeah, right here. So I want to freeze time right here. So when I right click first in the clip, and we can see the frame hold options, we can have an add frame hold or insert frame hold segment. So first, let's try the add frame hold. So let's click on it. And as you can see right here, our clip is now separated. What this does is that it makes the right side of our playhead into frame hold, or the right side of our clip into freeze. All of that are already freezed, just like that. As you can see, it's all freeze right here. That is what add frame hold does. But if you want just a little bit of it to be freezed, then you can use the add frame hold segment. So here, right click on your clip, insert frame hold segment right here. And as you can see, there are now three clips right here. So the middle clip would be the one that is freezed, and the other one would be the one that is the continuation before the freeze right here. As you can see, it freezes, then it automatically continues right here. So that is basically what insert frame hold segment does. And yeah, so now let's go and put it back on, just like that. And now let's go back to the time right here. So we're gonna go and right click again our clip and go into frame hold options. And then from here, you can see it right here, the source time code right here. So the source time code is this one right here, our clip, and click on OK right there. And as you can see, our clip is now, all of it now is hold. All of the duration of it is now on freeze. The whole clip is now on freeze, just like that. That is what frame hold option does. If you want the source time code or in, point, and out right here. So in, point, and out is this one when you press the I button, and this is the in point right here and the out point right here, depending on where you put it. And yeah, that is basically how you do it. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.